Welcome to my channel. I've just received this CR scan laser from Creality. Now we're going to unbox it and see what is inside. As you can see, the product is in a very nice casing, very strong casing. This is a piece of foam. Okay, here we have a model that we can use to test the scanner. Now let's see what is in the case. Okay, here we have a rotating plate. Here we have the rotating motor, and the plate is placed just at the top here, just like this. Where is the port here to connect the power? Here we have the cable, the long cable. This part is connected to the scanner, and here this part is connected to the power supply, and this USB port is connected to the computer. Here we have the power supply. Here we have the power cord for the rotating motor. Here we have a telescopic tripod. You can pull it just like that. Now the legs, you just pull them like this, and it can stand. Very simple. Here we have a USB drive. It contains the driver and the software that is used with the scanner. Here we have the different elements to adapt the power cord, for different countries. Here we have a spare screw. for the scanner. Here we have the scanner, very nice. Now this is where you're going to plug the cable that comes from the computer, and here is where you will screw the tripod. Just place it like that and you screw it. That's very simple. You can tilt it just like that, unscrew here and turn it just like that. You can also place it in any angle you want, and then you tighten. Unfortunately, I can't find the user guide. Maybe they have forgotten to put it inside. It's not in the box. Usually it is at the top, but here there is no user guide. Okay, we're going to move to the computer. We set up the software, and after we'll try to see how it works. See you soon.